Hello guys, in this video I want to show you on how to do what we know as inline banner ads in your list in AppCreator24. Do you know adding something like this in your application can seamlessly increase your app revenue while also give better user experience into your app to users while monetizing. In this video I want to show you. I will not start from scratch in the area of creating new app. I want to use my ready projects is for me to log into my AppCreator24 account, choose any of the app that is in my projects, and begin this journey. So you have to do the same thing. But before I jump into that, I have a project already download, which I am only to let's say set up those things in my AppCreator24 account and refresh from here. It will work. This is the app I've already downloaded the app, so it's for me to do other things, then I get what we want in here. So in other ways out around, I want to explain to you this particular one, here. So in what we know as inline banner ads list view, in list view is something like this. As you can see, this is lists. These are the items that appear through list view in this application. Now you want to say, I want to put ads into this place. I want to make my ads to display here. I want to make ads to display, because if you can put like 2 to 3 apps AdSense in the middle of the list, it also help increase the revenue, because monetization will be as well going faster. So that's why I want to show you the method on how to do it in AppCreator24. So I log into my AppCreator24 account now.
Welcome to Unlimited Monies blog, your ultimate destination for everything related to app development, website blog tips, tech tutorials, business strategies, and making money online. If you're ready to dive into the world of digital entrepreneurship and unlock unlimited potential, you're in the right place. Before we dive into today's content, don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with your friends who share your passion for technology and online business. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to drop them in the comments section below. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more exciting content. Remember, your feedback helps us grow and improve, so don't hesitate to reach out. You can also comment in the description. Now, let's get started and turn your dreams into reality. Thanks for tuning in.
I have finished logged in. What I have to do here is no more protocol. First of all, you have to do this first thing. Maybe you know about it. In case you are not aware of it, on your dashboard by the left side of the screen, you come to general information, which is here, general info. Then under the general info, you click on the name and icon here. Once you click on the name and icon, it will refresh. Something will show in the view area, the result part. As you can see it here, it's showing something here. What you need to scroll down to the bottom, you find something like this Coco. See this option here, see this option that is here, AdMob / Coco app ID. So you have to copy the app ID of your AdMob account and place it. If you don't know how to do that one, you check, there are others of the video which we have been able to get something like this in that tutorial till we reach here in others of the video. Check the playlist, you will have it there. So after you have finished that, you put it and you place save, you save it. Once you finish saving the area, the next thing you have to do is for you to come down to section. What is section? By the left side of your screen on the dashboard, look at here, sections. You click on the sections. Once you click on the section, as well, my section is not empty because this app is already created app, so my section is not empty. If you want to know that putting something in list, it is not by let me say opening somewhere here. Let's say section. Once you open section, you know we have this particular sub menu known as sub menu here. Sub menu cannot do that for you. Sub menu, even if you have sections in your AppCreator24 account and you expect sub menu to list them, to put them into list for you, and it will bring down the list very well, but the list will not be, you will not be able to implement AdSense or to add AdSense in the line of that list. using submenu. How can this work then? Now what you have to do to be able to get this, before we continue this, I will add at least 3 views or 3 sections in this AppCreator24, so that I'll be able to have a list that I'll be able to implement the AdSense, so you understand what I'm doing. So let me say, instead of me to adding this, I will duplicate this very section. Let me duplicate them. I duplicate it at least 4 or 5. So it is not the list the necessary, but we want to use the list so we can have our ads in between them. So you understand what I mean by inline banner AdSense. So after that, you now do that. We have list now. These sections are in form of what will appear in our list. So what we have to do is to create a card that said for us to be able to have inline ads in our list. So once you create a card, you open this section, create section. From that section, you look for cards here on the section. In the section, see any of the cards here, see cards here known as cards. So after the guards, so you give a section, guard section. You can do, maybe I want to do my own lists, I can give it a name like list. Then the next thing is for me to create a card. What a card, I want to make a list. So as you can see here, we have 2 options. This is the ads that you want to implement. This is the way you want to do the list. If you want to say, let me move to the cards, to the ads, you have the ads, but how will you implement the list while the ad is also in there? So the first thing we have to do is to go to the this area, this card area first. So we have cards in our application. So after that, the next thing we have to do is to, first of all, we have this one normally. So we come to this link known as link here. Link, you see the link on the top, the general section. After the first general area, you open something. Say, okay, let's click to navigate to what we know as any of the view you want to choose. Remember, I duplicated my own. So this second one known as main image, I have a video on how to do cards. You can check it for proper tutorial of this thing, because I will not be here to tell you all. If you want to know how to do, in the description section of this video, you have the playlist link there on how to do list using card list view. So click on the position of this one and set 1. Then the next thing is under the left section of it, which is title. Here you place the title. The title of that one was what was shorten URL. I can use shorten URL, shorts URL 1. So after that, the other ones I need to minimize them. I need to close them, don't show. The next one, the other one, don't show. I close them, I save it. So I will do it this way in 3 times. So if you want to know how to do it more, you check the list. I have finished my own now. So you can see I have up to list 4 items in my, to make a list. These are the items. Now the next thing we want to do is to add to implement or put our AdSense in between the two items here up, 2 items here down. Then in the middle of the 2 items we put AdSense in between. So what you have to do, how can we do this, is to create ads. So you click on the create ads. Once you click on there, create the ad cards, you go to this one known as ad. So after you open the ad, you have a dashboard or a form like this, say create a native ad as cards. So what you have to do, it depends the AdSense network you want to use. It does not have limitation to any of this network. Is monetize app ID, ion source app ID, start.io app ID, appnext placement ID, and AdMob ad ID. So I will use AdMob. What you have to do here is to copy your AdMob app ad ID. I want to use a test ad ID. I don't want to use my correct ad ID. So I already have it in my clipboard. I will use to paste it in the first line. So I paste it in the first line. Look at it here. So you can see this is it. If you want to ask how will I have it, for you to have something like this is to go to Google search and search for it like this. I click on the save button, I save it. Once I save it, I have AdSense here. Once I have an AdSense here, if you want to, I'm using test ads, you can use your real ads if you want to use it. So for us to bring it to this place, this is the AdSense here, so we want it to be in the middle of the 4 items, that's 2 up 2 down. So what you have to do is to click on the arrow here. Look at the arrow that you are seeing, this is the arrow. You click on the arrow, you bring it to the top, it will move to the second to the last area. You continue to click on the arrow again, arrow up there, it will move to the it become the third from up, third from down, that is 1 2 is the item, then the next is the 3, the third one is the ads in between, then we have 2 3 4 as item in that list. So that's how we have to that's how you can put AdSense in the middle of our list. So I click on save button. Once I save it, don't skip the video, I have something to show you so that you will not say it didn't work for me. Click on the back button again to return to the section. As you can see in our section, these are the section that we have already, since because we added this section before our cards. As you can see, the card is is below here, is at the bottom, which means if you want to open the app, you want to open your app, these cards will not work. Instead, one of these items or these sections will open. So for you to make this card to work so that it will display all these things that are here as list, is for you to do the same thing that we did in other side. Click the up button here to take it to the top. You see it's now in the second to the last, so you continue click the up arrow button, the up arrow button, you click it, it will move. Continue to click the up arrow button till you get it to the first line. So once you have it, you see it is now at the top. Look at it here. So you need to click on the save sort order to save it. So once you save it, you are good to go. If you didn't download your app, you move to the download apps here, move to the download apps here, and you click on the download button here, to download your app and you check your work. I have already downloaded my app, like I show you, the app is there. So I want to close this place and check my app now. So after that, this is my app. Let me open my app and see the refresh of the app. Okay, the app didn't refresh. I want to open my app now and see of my work, how it be and what change it is. Remember, it wasn't anything that first time. As you can see, this is the list. As you can see everything here is working. I don't know where to keep. Okay, you can see this is 2 items here, this is 2 items here. So the ads is here as well. So it divided the items 2 up 2 down. That's how you can implement what we know as inline banner AdSense. Inline banner AdSense. So it is very nice and good if you have it. If Adebi the list is much, you would have been scroll with them also. Thank you for watching the video. I believe the video has been of help to you. Like the video, share the video. If you are new to the channel, subscribe and always leave a comment. Let me know if it worked for you or it is not working for you. Anything you want to have more suggestion or question, don't be hesitate to comment in the comment section. See you in our next video.